Hello guys, today I've got the OPN Sound Swym Plus headphones and I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones. And first, use earplugs in the water. Bone conduction relies on sound waves vibrating through bone. Underwater, ambient noise can muddy the audio, but using the Incode waterproof earplugs blocks out the water noise and dramatically boosts bass and overall volume. You can find them in the box. You can quick toggle between MP3 mode and Bluetooth mode. You need to double click this multifunctional button, which is right here. You need to double click to switch between these two modes. And remember to use MP3 mode underwater. Apart from that, we've got here quick track navigation. You can skip track without taking out your phone by pressing volume plus for 3 seconds for the next track, and volume minus over here for 3 seconds for the previous track. Fresh water rains after salt water and chlorine. even through, yes, I'm sorry, I'm so sleepy. Even though that here you've got magnetic charging, and they should be corrosion resistant, you need to always rinse your headset in fresh tap water after swimming in a pool or seawater to prevent buildup on the pins. Remember that here we've got a factory reset shortcut, and if you run into pairing glitches, power off the unit completely and then press and hold this button right here again for 10 seconds until it resets to the factory defaults. And actually, that's it. Bye!